Hypertension or elevated blood pressure is a serious medical condition that significantly increases the risks of heart, brain, kidney and other diseases. 1 in every 3 Indian adults are suffering from hypertension, and it is directly responsible for 57% of deaths due to stroke, 24% of deaths due to coronary artery disease. For every 20 mmHg systolic or 10 mmHg diastolic increase in BP, there is a risk of doubling the mortality from both IHD and stroke. Hence, quality plays an important role in managing hypertension effectively. In hypertension management, Cadila has a legacy of more than 30 years in providing solutions with products like Olvas, Silage, MedSpot XL, Locium. Cadila Pharmaceuticals provides highest quality medication in hypertension management with Olvas, India's only olmesartan bioequivalent to innovator brand Benica. The bioequivalent efficacy of Olvas proves the quality when compared with the innovator brand Benica in the clinical trial in terms of Cmax, Tmax, half-life of the drug, area under the curve. Based on the study, Olvas was found to be bioequivalent to innovator brand Benica. When it comes to hypertension management, trust the legacy of more than 30 years and help your patients achieve precise BP control with quality treatment.